Ready, set, go. Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. Yippee! It's another train day. My friend Murray and I decided we would like to go and visit The Hague, or as we call it, Den Haag. What's so special about The Hague? It is special for being the political and administrative capital of the Netherlands, home to the Dutch government and royal family, and also recognised as the International City of Peace and Justice. It houses numerous international organisations and courts. It has a rich cultural scene with museums, historic buildings and a vibrant city centre. So why shouldn't you visit? Walking through town with its floral displays and many works of art, we enjoyed our walk along the Lange Voorhout in The Hague, which was an open-air museum for the Voorhout Monumental Art Exhibition. This year's theme is Celebrate the Imagination, and they sure did. On the off chance of being able to visit Noordeinde Palace, we only managed to get tickets for the stables, but we didn't mind at all. We visited the Royal Stables Department, which provides transport for members of the royal family, their guests, and the court. The department was established in 1815 by King William I. Its current premises on Hoogwal in The Hague was opened in 1878. They are located on the grounds of Noordeinde Palace. So enjoy our little wander around. The Hague also boasts a beautiful coastline, including the popular beach resort of Scheveningen. I had never been here before, but Murray knew to tempt me to check out this absolutely stunning painting. In 1880, the marine painter Hendrik Willem Mesdag was commissioned to produce a panorama painting of Scheveningen Beach. However, not long after its completion, around 1900, the popularity of panoramas rapidly declined. The static painting could not compete with the dynamic film medium. Many panorama buildings were pulled down or given a different function. and the large paintings were cut into pieces. Luckily, Hendrik Willem Mester's panorama of Scheveningen has survived. It is the oldest panorama painting still situated in its original location. Oh my goodness, what an experience this was. The inevitable time came to make our way back to the railway station, but not before we had a bit of sustenance. I mean, after all that walking and sightseeing, you know, a girl's got to eat and a girl's got to drink. But it was a fantastic day. So thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear what you thought of Den Haag and the panorama paintings. And I'd like to see you back next time. Who knows what I've got in store for you then. So hit that subscribe button and the bell and you'll be notified as soon as I post another video. Bye for now and take care out there.